The smart factory just got even smarter. This site in Heidelberg, which makes electrification products, combines advanced robotics with the power of the Internet of Things. It's a showcase of what ABB Ability, which brings all of ABB's digital products together under one offer, means in action. The production line is equipped with sensors to capture data about the products and machines at every stage of the process, while 7 ABB robots perform a variety of complex roles. The production stations work autonomously or together, adjusting their actions based on what happened at earlier stages of the manufacturing process. Cameras visually compare each component and trigger self-correction processes if any specifications aren't met. Each circuit breaker has a unique QR code, which enables full traceability from the factory to where it's installed. And every product is tested before leaving the factory to make sure of the highest quality. The process is based on data from all the prior tests within the facility and across the whole manufacturing network, with self-learning to improve the precision of future tests. The factory software takes stock of all the sensor and customer data available, making decisions and controlling machines as part of our optimized self-healing environment. And every stage of this automation cycle is controlled by ABB products, including, since the company's acquisition of B&R, the crucial industrial PC technology that controls many of these complex tasks. Intelligent manufacturing has revolutionised the production process. It's increased our efficiency so that 3 times as many products can be produced. It's increased our flexibility, so batch sizes can be smaller and more varied. This Heidelberg site alone can handle 8,000 product variants. It's improved our performance, as machine sensors provide predictive maintenance information. And it's improved our overview of stock and capacity, which in turn leads to more accurate delivery times and better materials handling, maintaining the high quality of these circuit breakers and ultimately delighting customers. This isn't a factory of the future. With ABB Ability, this is a factory of today.